In today's video, we will be discussing about adverb of degree and adverb of frequency. But before that, आप सभी को सुष्मिता का प्यार भरा नमस्ते and welcome back to our new video. Let us discuss one by one. Adverb of degree, right? Let us take a quick revision. What is an adverb? Adverb is a word which modifies or adds some extra information to the verb. It also gives us some extra additional information about the adjective and adverb itself sometimes. Okay, so let us take some examples and try to understand adverb of degree. Basically, adverb of degree tells us about how much a certain thing has happened. So that is the pro tip. To find out adverb of degree, we question how much, and then we are easily able to find adverb of degree in a sentence. Let us take some examples. The first example tells us, I fully agree with you. What is the verb in this sentence? Agree is the verb in the sentence. How much do I agree with you? I fully agree with you. I completely agree with you. So when you are getting an answer of how much, it tells you about adverb of degree. In the first sentence, it is basically adding more information to the verb agree. How much do you agree, or how much he or she agrees? I fully agree. I completely agree. So here, fully is the adverb of degree. If we see the second sentence, the jug is almost full. We are talking about the jug, which is the subject. Here, full is describing the jug, basically how much water or milk or whatever is inside the jug. So here, full is acting as an adjective, right? So how much is the jug full? The jug is almost full, or the jug is almost empty, correct? Here it is adding or modifying the adjective in the sentence. So in this case, the jug is almost full. The word almost is acting as adverb of degree because it is telling us about how much of something is present in the jug. Correct? Now look at the third one. I am very excited for my birthday. Excited is the verb. How much excited I am? I am very excited for my birthday. So very is the word which is adding some extra information or modifying the verb excited. Hence, very is answering how much. Hence, very is the adverb of degree. It is extremely hot today. Extremely hot. How much hot? It is extremely hot. It is the adverb of degree. Correct? Like, he treated me most cruelly. He treated me most cruelly. Here, cruelly itself is the adverb of manner. He treated me most cruelly. Treated is the verb. How was I treated? Cruelly. So cruelly is the adverb of manner. But see, the word most is describing the word cruelly or adding more information about the word cruelly or the adverb cruelly. So here, how much was I treated cruelly? Most cruelly. So most is the adverb of degree in this sentence, which is describing the adverb itself or is modifying the adverb of manner itself. So this is the way we can find out adverb of degree in the sentences. Now let us move to adverb of frequency. Let us take some examples and that will help us to understand it better. Now, adverb of frequency basically tells you about how often that action happens. वो जो action हो रहा है sentence में, how often, कितनी बार वो हो रहा है. Does it happen every day, daily, or is it happening once a week, or is it happening sometimes, or it happens rarely यानी कभी कभी. So adverb of frequency tells you about how often does the action happen. So to find out adverb of frequency, we basically ask the question how often, and when we get our answer, that's the adverb of frequency. Let us take these examples. The first one reads, he visits us daily. What is the verb visiting? वो मुझे मिलता है या हमसे मिलने आता है. He visits us daily. How often does he visit us? He visits us daily. It is telling the frequency, which means it is telling us वो कितनी बार, which is telling us how often the action of visiting is happening. The answer is daily. So this is the adverb of frequency. Next, let us circle it. This is AOF, which is adverb of frequency. She rarely eats fast food. Fast food is as in junk. She rarely eats. What is the action? Eating. How often does she eat? She eats rarely, यानी बहुत कम. तो फास्ट फूड खाने का जो एक्शन है, how often does it happen? It happens rarely. So rarely is the adverb of frequency. He is usually late for school. यहाँ पे एक्शन है लेट होना, राइट? कितनी बार लेट होता है? और how often does he get late for school? He usually gets late, which means he gets late often, बहुत बार, which means he is usually late for the school. So the action of being late for school happens how often? It happens usually. So usually is the adverb of frequency. So adverb of degree tells us how much, whereas adverb of frequency tells us how often. We also saw so many examples which helped us to understand the question even better. So the trick remains the same. When you need to find out the adverb of degree, we ask the question how much. It is very hot today. How much? How hot is it? It's very hot. So very is the degree of the adverb. Whereas if you talk about adverb of frequency, he is always late for the school. How often is he late for the school? Always late for school. So here always will be the adverb of frequency. So we understood the difference between adverb of degree and adverb of frequency. So that's all for today. We will meet in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep thriving, and take care. Thank you so much.